is you can run a field service mode test on the car by taking your paper clip and grounding out terminal B on your AC diagnostic terminal, grounding B to A. And what you do once you ground it out, crank up your vehicle, and you'll see the check engine light on your information center flash. According to the factory service manual, in open loop the light will flash approximately 2.5 times per second. In closed loop the light will flash approximately once per second. My car is cold right now. I'll crank it up and see, and I'll show you the open loop. And what this also tells you is the light will stay out most of the time. In closed loop, the light will stay out most of the time if the system is too lean. It will stay on most of the time if the system is too rich. But I'll try to warm it up and see if I have the time. I kind of got some things going on, but I'll give it a go here. Okay, so the car's the electronic control module now is basically telling me the car is in open loop. It's flashing probably about 2.5 times per second. So I'm going to let the car warm up and see what happens after we get up to operating temperature here, and I'll come back. Okay, it's now in closed loop, and it's basically saying that it's staying on most of the time, so it's basically saying my car is running a little bit too rich, but it was just started up, so now it's kind of starting to warm up a little bit. And yeah, it's working. Now it's showing about, when closed loop, it'll stay on about, it'll flash about once per second, and it'll stay on most of the time if the vehicle's too rich. So being a little on the cold side and just hasn't been run very much lately, it's kind of run a little bit on the rich side, but I'm not real worried about it. But anyway, that's a field service test mode that will lead you in the right direction for some problems if you're having any problems.